Na 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 na. Guess what? Christmas is arriving. Something must be done special for it. Part 2. What shall we do?
Yeah, I got an idea.
Yeah?
We can make a Christmas slime.
That's an awesome idea. Let's start. So friends, this is the mixture that we did in part 1. So I actually transferred into another box to keep it in the freezer. Just keep it in the freezer for 2 days and see your awesome slime.
Okay, wait.
So now we'll keep this in the freezer.
After 2 days.
So it looks like this. So it's so cool now. But let me touch it. Wow, it's awesome. So now let's press the slime with a checked kind of thing.
Now we are going to press it.
Ooh. Wow! Looks awesome!
So it's very nice.
Okay, let's start playing with it. I want to squish it!
Okay, wait.
So it's so good.
Yeah. Wow.
It's awesome. It's so stretchy actually.
First, it'll be a little sticky. It'll be very nice, but as we play, it'll be less sticky.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Thank you. So if you like this video, please use it. And don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, and please, and very please, don't forget to comment below.
bye guys.
Let's see you in the next video.
Bye.